What's the biggest lie in home cooking? That fresh is always cheaper. Today, we're putting that to the test with carrot versus carrot. I'm MJ, your refrigerator eliminator, and I'm about to show you why those extra pennies on a can might just buy back your entire evening. Here's the cold hard math. This 2-pound bag of fresh carrots costs $2. This 14.5 ounce can, almost a pound, of cooked, ready to go canned carrots cost $1. But weight is tricky. Once you peel these fresh carrots, cook them, and account for waste, the cost gets kind of interesting. But price is just one line on the receipt. Let's talk about the real cost, your time and freedom, the hidden cost. So with fresh carrots, step 1, wash. Step 2, peel. Step 3, chop. Step 4, cook for 10 to 15 to 30 minutes. That's 20 to 30 minutes of active work before they even hit your recipe. And what if you don't use the whole bag? In 2 weeks, you'll find a sad, rubbery carrot at the bottom of your fridge drawer. And that's wasted money. Now for the canned carrot. Step 1, open the can. Step 2, you're done. They're already cooked, ready to go, ready to eat, ready to disappear into a soup, stew, or gravy in 60 seconds. And they live in your pantry literally for years, asking of nothing, no fridge, no babysitting. They never ever go bad on you. Well, maybe, eventually. In a long, long time from now. So yes, per ounce when you're pinching pennies, the bag might win by a few cents. But what's the price of 20 minutes on a Tuesday? And what's the price of throwing away the rotten food that's in your refrigerator? What's the price of the stress? This is why I built loadedpotato.org. My recipes are engineered for canned and shelf-stable ingredients. They embrace that convenience so you can have a hot real dinner in the time it would take you to just prep the fresh version. You're not sacrificing dinner, you're sacrificing hassle. And that, I'm willing to give up really. So if you're ready to stop paying with your time and sanity, here's what you gotta do. First, be part of the solution. Hit that subscribe button and follow me. Every week I give you a new recipe that respects your money and your minutes, proving that smart pantry cooking is the ultimate freedom. Second, get the system. One recipe is a hack, a collection is a lifestyle. Go to loadedpotato.org right now, the link below. I've organized every recipe to help you build a pantry that works for you, not against you. Now, if you want to settle the debate for me in the comments below, what's the one vegetable you absolutely refuse to buy fresh anymore because the canned or frozen version is just better for life and sanity? Let's help each other out. What's your vote? Comment below. Your time is worth more than pennies, so make the wise choice. Now, if you want more cheat codes like this, follow me and check out loadedpotato.org for pantry-only meals, no chopping, no stress, and fun experiments to stretch your pennies and your pantry. Till next time!